Welcome to this video explaining light brush-up tasks. Light brush-up involves fitting content to slide frame, fixing colors to client's color palette, putting text inside template placeholders, and fixing fonts and font sizes. It is a simplified brush-up. Let's take a look when our clients use light brush-up tasks. First case might be projects requiring faster delivery or urgent projects. Second case are projects that do not require precise work of full brush-up scope. These might be internal presentations, for example. And third would be all other cases that fit our client's purpose. In this table, we will take a look at what light brush-up scope includes. First of all, we would fix the slide to correct template and layouts. Then we would make sure that all titles, subtitles, footers, trackers, logos, page numbers are in the correct placement. We would fit all the content to slide frame. We would fix colors to client's color palette. And lastly, we would fix font types and font sizes. Based on this table, you can see that light brush-up scope does not contain as many points as brush-up. Here we can see example of input and output of light brush-up task. This is our input, and this would be our output of light brush-up task. You can notice that all the previously mentioned points were conducted on this slide. To fully understand what edits are needed for the light brush-up task and as well understand the real difference between light brush-up and regular brush-up, we have developed these slides that goes through each edit separately. In this slide, we can see that in both brush-up and light brush-up, slides were converted to correct template. In here, we can see that all the titles, subtitles, footers, trackers, logos, and page numbers were put into the correct placement according to placeholders. In both cases, we would also fit the content to the slide frame. We would as well adjust colors to client's color palette, as you can see on the screen. And this is the last point where brush-up and light brush-up are the same. In both cases, we adjusted font type and font sizes. You can see here the input slide where the font type is different, and we adjusted this font type to client's font type, and as well we fixed font sizes to more readable size. Now we get into edits that we would do only in the regular brush-up task because light brush-up scope does not include these edits. So as you can see on this example, the shapes are brushed up to the client style in the brush-up task. So numbers were brushed up to correct position and style based on the client's guidelines. As well, we have edited the shapes to regular edge shapes because that's what in this case client's guidelines say. In the light brush-up, we have kept shapes as per input. We have kept the round edge shapes. We do not adjust to client style. In the brush-up task, we fixed all the spacing and alignments. In the light brush-up, all the spacing and alignments are kept as per input because we only guarantee the alignment to the slide frame, but not the shapes within the slide frame. In the brush-up task, we keep all the animations as per input. You can see the kept animation by the numbers that are marked in the slide that are showing us the order of animations. In light brush-up task, all the animations are deleted. And now we are coming to the last point of what we would do in the brush-up but not in light brush-up, and that is conversion of the graphs. If the guidelines say that all the graphs need to be converted to ThinkCell, in the brush-up task we would do so and we would convert the graph to ThinkCell. In the light brush-up we would keep graph as per input, so in this case MS chart. In case you are on light brush up task, but you are asked to do more regular brush up edits, please reach out to your admin to review the scope of the task. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the platform.